Hey guys, I know I've sent you an already video introduction, but I wanted to just pop in and talk about a few other things. I've put in dates for your portfolio entries, and I want you to realize these are draft dates. Everything has to be turned in by July 12th, meaning it needs to be posted on TK20 by July 12th. So these are, please have the first ones done so that they can be read over and comments made and so forth. I've mentioned this up here at the top as well, but you can also find it under your content. Start here. There's a schedule for the class. I'm going to recommend that you make sure you try and have some people that you're good with reading your work. They're going to be your first resource after yourself, of course. And before you actually turn it into me, I want to know that you've had somebody else read it. So if you don't have somebody else in class read it, make sure you explore and have somebody elsewhere read it. Because you've got to have a 3 average on all of these. I will be your first reader for everything. And then I think there's been some questions. July 12th is when everything has to be in so that our second readers have a chance to get to your work and look and see what you've done. I'll do my best to help you through everything. This course is something that everyone has to take as the end of your master's program. So a lot of the videos may seem older, but none of the information has changed. So just be aware that all of that is pretty much the same. We've talked about some options for video, so make sure you're aware of this down here as well. And I'll try to help you as much as I can if you have questions. So good luck.